What is happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. So today it's gonna be a big day, man. We got my little brother's car here. We're gonna be doing his transmission, but before we do that, I want to thank you guys for all subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the support, guys. I'm not gonna do a video on how to do the trans. I'm just gonna do like a time lapse, so that way you can see the progress in like a very fast rate. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you guys later.
Perfect.
So I took off the drain plug for the transmission. It's disgusting.
Perfect.
All right, everybody, the transmission. Oh man, I get to turn this light off. Or the transmission is in. Ended up breaking the VTEC switch here when I was pulling out the axles, and I had no idea I broke it. All right, guys, it is ready to go back into the engine bay. Pretty happy, guys. Can't wait till we get it done. Just get it out of here, because kind of in a rush. Don't want to be here all day, you know. But let's knock it out. Job is complete. Exhaust is on. Let's start it up and see. Well, actually we don't have enough coolant, and also I broke the VTEC pressure switch, so I broke that, so the check engine light's gonna be on. Hey guys, so it's rubbing. See that spinning? Yes, please. All right, guys, it's driving. Everybody, the car is running. We're about to go on a test drive, and it's all put back together. I am glad that everything went fine except for that sensor, but it's all good. But yeah, let's go on a test drive and see how it rides. So we're on our way to Honda right now to get some coolant, because I ran out of coolant, and hopefully get that VTEC pressure switch, because I totally broke that. I'm surprised the check engine light's not on. Maybe because I'm not hitting VTEC. So yeah, we got the snap-on scanner. We're making sure the transmission is healthy. So that's what's that for. And so far so good, guys. It's really running really good and really strong. The old transmission, man, I was scared to drop that thing. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, man. I appreciate all the people supporting the channel. And I'm gonna end the video here, because I think the transmission is good to go now. Yes, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That's so cool, man. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And see y'all next video, guys. Peace.